Hey John Smith here, and this is just my ca2. I didn't really spend much time on it because I've so many CAs to do, Javas and three of this, so there's not enough time, only about 10-15 days to finish them all. So just tried my best, what I could, you know. So that's my main class. I'm just gonna play the game here. So it just gives you the options of new game and exit. So if we click exit, it's just gonna exit out. So if we start a new game, it's gonna ask you what's your playstyle, so you choose any playstyle. So samurai, choose your weapon. Uh, Samurai with a lightsaber. Then what's your name? Suit. And then where do you want to go? So let's say if we go to one army store, it's basically you buy a weapon. So you've got, as you can just see here, 200 gold, and you just upgrade your weapon. So let's say if we buy a final upgrade, so we go for 2. You've upgraded, and if we go back to army store and upgrade 1 as well, and we press 4 for stats, and here we are. There's an upgrade 2.1 and final upgrade 1, and it tells you what your gold is remaining, 50 gold, 150. So if we go to 3 for item store, and let's say we buy a potion, and if we go to 4 again, that's my health. And as we can see strength here, let's upgrade our strength. So we go to 3 and 4 and 4 for stats. So it's 12 from 12, it's 13 now. As you can just see, a gold goes down. So you take any item out, spend gold, so your gold's going to decrease, and you take an item and it's just going to increase your items. And finally, we just go to the whole, which is your text file. So this is just reading all your text file, which rooms are there. So we got your city, in, item store, whatever, and then just says your current room you are in is your Panera City. So there's a health on the right side, and you can go anywhere from here. Otherwise, just exit if you like, or exit game by end. So let's see, we go for health. Current health is full, cannot take. So it's just going to say your health is maxed out, so you cannot take the health. If your health is lower, it will just add extra health. And let's say if we go, so it just displays other names of other places you can go, and then exit. Just exit all that, and we just want to end this. So that's pretty much what my program is doing at the moment. As I said, didn't spend too much time on it. Need to start the ca3 as well. And here's my main. Let's go by headers first. So this is just my header for function. This is just input header file. This is just location. So basically we just got normal load, save room, current room, and print rooms. This is my menu. This is my player, which is normal initialize player, scatter and setters, constructor. This is my room, just pretty much scatter and setters and constructor. Same with weapons, initialize, setter and getters, constructors. This is my text file. This is my function file. So basically, you got just your main functions for the game. Main libraries, your other header files to include. So just your methods included in this. So initializing for the new gold and new health you get through the game, and just setting a player hero and classes and weapons. So basically this is what I'm more likely going to be using for next. So if player health is greater than 0 and 2 stuff, so just normal menu for where you want to go. Then we got initialization for validate. Then we have what you call armory store, and it's just here player get gold equals 49. So if your gold is more than 49, then allow the player to buy the first item. So whatever your first choice is, weapon upgrade. So basically this line, it just says your gold. If it exceeds that, you're allowed to do it. If it doesn't, well, you're not. So it's going to say your weapon upgrade. So your new gold is going to be your old gold minus whatever the cost is, and it's going to set your gold into the new gold. It's pretty much for same for others. This is just going to be location, and your current location is basically Panera City. You can just set that into whole or whichever, as you can just say, just whole armory store, whichever you wanna. You can set that. It's gonna print that room for you. And then down here we have item store. Basically works same as your weapon store. And in here we have basically display gold. So it's gonna say what you got gold in your pocket, display gold. So down here is basically if your gold exceeds that, allow the player to buy. So it's gonna help your new health is gonna be your old health plus this. Then it's gonna set your new health. Then it's gonna set your new gold, and well, it's gonna get your gold minus whatever the cost. Then it's gonna set your new gold. And basically, it's the same step for everything's gold, new strength, potion, health, whatever. Then here we've just normal stats. So your class, get your class gold, whatever gold you have health wise. So pretty much just your stats and weapon upgrades, whatever upgrades you have. Basically just no other search function, find function, current room for what exists in the room, and there's the input I'm using. So didn't have enough time, I could have added more in. So basically, as I said in the text, you just type in go. It's going to print out your current rooms, health. Current health is full. It's going to print out your current health, and exit the game and end the game. So basically, just location, load the file, and just setting up and loading these stats. Then just normal input for the classes, and just location, just reading rooms, reading whatever is the new text file. So get room, current room, print all the rooms, etc. Then we have main, and we have menu, just pretty much normal menu, start new game, menu choices, weapon classes. So basically for class wise we have like normal menu for the class, what kind of class you want, switch statement for your class. So basically down here for return, as we said in player class, we're gonna have fighter and other stats. So basically it's gonna be set class, your health, your strength, your dexterity, armor, gold, level for your the player class. And same thing for choose weapon, normal menu here, and just gonna set your name of the weapon, damage multiplier 2, and your price, which I have not completely done yet, but I just left the price 0 for now. I was hoping to put that in creating a store and adding it out. Then we've just player class, so normal constructor, full constructor, setters and getters, and pretty much normal getters and setters add gold, subtract gold, add levels, and which will be used in the later on next game. Just normal room constructor, empty constructor, full constructor, getters and setters, printing room, find the room, and same with weapons. So we have normal constructor, full constructor, setters and getters, weapon name, multiplier, price. So that's pretty much my ca2 that I've managed to get done so far. I just didn't have enough time to spend more on this because, as I said, I've still got Jawas and ca3 for this to do in 10-15 days. Thanks, Owen.